Hello viewers, welcome back again to yet another video. We have begun a series on how to use Photoshop to create graphic design work. And so if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, share it, comment on it. Let me see your problem so that I can address it in time. Alright, so if you haven't watched the previous videos, I'll advise you to watch those videos, okay? Because what we have done so far is we are building on the foundation of the previous videos, okay? So go and watch those videos before you watch this one. All right, let's start the video. So the last time we did gradient 2, okay? So today we are going to do how to choose colors for your Photoshop work. In our last video we ended on the note that we don't use just any color in our work. Okay, we don't use just any color in our work. You have to choose some colors that will match. All right, so let me give you some explanation. So with colors, if you want to do a background, you have to choose colors that blends, okay, that blends together. All right, and if you want to place something on the background, use color that bring contrast, okay, so that it will make what the image that you are putting on the background or the text you are putting on the background stand out, so that when people see it, they will see the text or the image that you want them to see. All right, so that is it. In example form, black is complement to what? White, because it's a contrast. It's a contrast, okay? When you paint black on white, the black will stand out, okay? Because it is not it cannot blend, okay? Yeah, let's look at this example. Let me choose the color and the brush too. Let me paint using the black. You see, the black stand out because it is opposite, okay? But if I choose an analogous colors, okay, analogous colors, it will not show. Let me choose a color from here. So this is white, so let me choose this color, the gray white. It's a complement, it's an analogous color to white, okay? So when you use it, you see, although you see it, but it does not stand out. You see, it somehow blends to the white. So if you use it to write a text, when someone is afar, he won't see it very well. But when you use the black one, he will see it clearly. So that is it. So if you want to bring a contrast, or you want someone to see a text in your poster or your flyer, use complement colors. All right, but if you want to do a background, want everything to blend in the background, use the analogous colors. All right, so let me go back and let's do something. Let's pick a color. So you can go to the internet, search about the complement colors, so that you will get the color codes. Okay, when we say color codes, it is the code of the color. Okay, let me show you how it is done. So come to the adjustment layer, click on it, come to solid color. We did it in our last video. Then just click here, choose a color. Let me choose this one. So when we look at this is the color code of this color. All right, this is the color code of this color. All right, if I change the numbers, it will change. You see, it has changed. If I change the numbers, it will change. Have you seen? So when you search on the internet, you get the complement colors and their codes. Then you come and type the codes here. Then you get the colors. Okay. So let me set an example of two complement colors. Okay. So I have some lists here. So let me choose one of them. All right. So our first color is hash 101820. So this is a charcoal. Okay, so you click OK. Then let's choose another different color. Let me draw shape first so that you see the contrast in it. So draw your shape. Then let's change the color. So even the gray color to the this charcoal color it's a contrast. You see, this stand out. The shapes stand out. So you can use this color to do your work. It brings contrast to your work, okay? But let me choose the one that I've wrote here. So let me change the color of the shape. Let me type it, the FEE715. Then okay. So you see, so these two colors, they are very contrast, okay? They bring some contrast in it, okay? So this stand out from the background, so it will not blend with the background for others to struggle to see it, okay? It will be easy to see it when it has a contrast. All right, so that is it. So if I want to type a text, let's use a text and you see what I'm talking about. So let me type, let's say Ghana again, Ghana, and okay. All right, let me move the text so you know it. We have done that one, so don't complain of that. Move it here. You see, so this color is complement, okay? It does not blend in the background, okay? So you can use that one. But if I choose a color like this, let me change the text color to let me change it to this. You see, it has blend to the background. So if someone is afar, he won't see the color, or he won't see Ghana. All right, that's why it is advisable to use what complement colors if you want your text to stand out. So let me use this color. Okay, so when you use this color, you see Ghana has stand out. Mistake. Ghana has stand out. You see, so you can use these colors to do your work. You see, it will be nice when you use this. It will be nice. Okay, so that is it. And another trick that you can do is, if you want to use the background color if you want to use the same background color for your text, what you have to do is just insert a shape. You see, then you choose a complement color for the shape. Let me choose it for you and see what I'm talking about. Let me use let me use the same color, because the yellow is a complement color. So let's use that one. Then I'll bring my text inside that that shape. Then I'll change the text color to this one. All right, so let me change it to this color. I've picked the color. So when you see, so this is a trick. Okay, this is a trick that some people do it, some graphic designers use. Okay, you see, it has turned out the work, the color, the Ghana has turned out. You see how it is, so you see it very clearly. So this is one of the tricks that they do. You can even make the work beautiful by changing the curvature of your shape. Okay, the curvature of your shape. So let me change the curvature of my shape. So you come to properties, then let's change it. I've already explained this, so no need to explain it again. Let me choose, oh sorry, I didn't choose the layer. So you first choose the layer first before you do it. Then let me change this curve, you see, and change this one too. See, sometimes you see some work, then you will do it something like this. You see how it is, how beautiful it has become. So that is how you choose colors. All right, you can make it gradient. You can apply gradient to the shape. Okay, all right, so let me do that and for you to see. So you want to apply the gradient to the color of the shape, you just come here. All right, this is the gradient too. You click on it, you see, then you choose a color for the dark portion. Okay, let me double click on it, then the color picker will appear. Then you choose the color that you want to use. Okay, so something like this. choose that color that you want to use, then okay. You see, can apply gradient on it. Then you can choose the amount of yellow, how you want the amount of yellow to be. So you can bring it here, then the yellow will start, it come more plenty. Okay, you can choose the color of the highlights. Okay, let's make it, let's say this color. This color is not good. Okay, let's use the red. Then let's come and change the yellow. It seems that the yellow is darkened, so let's change the yellow. Double click inside it, then let's make it light. See, then okay, then we can do something. We can add another color to the gradient. You can pull this yellow in the middle, to the middle. Then let's pull this here. Then let's use the Ghana color. Okay, so let's add another color. If you want to add another color, what you have to do is you come here, you put the mouse here, click, okay, then another color will come. Then you change the color. Okay, you double click inside it, then let's make it green so that it will be red, gold, green. Okay, red, gold, green. So you click on it, then that is it. You see, this is a nice work done. So that is how you choose your colors. So I'll end here. Our next video, we are going to look at other stuff about graphic design. Okay, so stay tuned. Bye.